It was in the year 2020 that we founded Vashi Parivar Foundation, and it was also the year of COVID. We had our new identity. I think that helped us build such strong relationships with the NGOs we work with. We believed that help should be given to what they need and not what we want to give. So taking that thought ahead, our model of working was always to fill the gap void that was there to be filled, and we did varied kind of projects in that span because we realized that that period was so challenging, and if we narrowed our scope of work, because they knew here's a foundation that will stand by them in times of need no matter what. And that's the reputation that Vashi Parivar Foundation has earned over the years. They believe in us and they have so much faith in us that all it takes is one phone call for them, and they know that we'll be standing right by them. Other than providing jobs for the youth in Bhiwandi that we've done with our course, we've been able to break the stereotype that this job is not just for men. Today, we in fact have equal, and some batches even more, number of girl students than boys. So breaking that stereotype where women can also work in warehouses, they also do forklifting, they are doing picking, packing, all jobs that essentially men can do. Breaking that stereotype was also a very big aspect and a win for us in a certain sense. We are somewhere on the right path. This came the idea of going to a place where nobody really wanted to work. We have our partners, Borderless World Foundation, with whom we run the home in Kupwara. It is a home for girls. It is a safe space for girls to study, continue their education. They can stay as long as they want until they get married or move on with their career to better prospects. That project will always remain special because we dared to work where nobody really wanted to work. We decided to do a project that not many people would choose to do. And to me, that is a fearless work that Vashi Parivar Foundation does. Vashi Integrated Solutions is not a company that just does its corporate social responsibility. It is a socially responsible corporate. Thank you.